How to download Google Chrome on a laptop or computer. Hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to easily download and install Google Chrome to your computer. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is, simply open up a browser on a computer. And quickly we can do that by searching here. Just search the Edge here with your keyboard. You should see Microsoft Edge come up. This is the default browser for Windows. So, select that. Once the browser opens up, go up to the top of the web browser here, and type google.com. Once you are here, all we need to do is to search Google Chrome. And then the first link comes up. Select that. As you can see, this is the google.com/Chrome. Now, all we need to do is select Download Chrome. After you download it, just select the open file. And then, you will see Google Chrome start to install right here. Just give it a minute to install. Once the installing is done, it will open up, and you can start using it. That's it on how to download Google Chrome on a laptop or computer.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.